Hello friends, welcome to my video. Hope you all were fine. In this video we discuss about how can we create a website for our business. Let's start our video. Come to my Google screen. How to create a website from scratch. Step to build website. Are you planning to create a website? Here is the step by step guide for you. Create a new website from the scratch and rank it on the Google. Learn how to create a website from scratch is one of the most fundamental skill anyone can equip. The author of this blog, Danish Kumar, and the forward writer have all started their careers by creating website. This is the most up-to-date comprehensive guide. Table of the content. What is domain name? What is the domain name? Are you domain name free? Different types of domain extensions, domain structure, who owns a domain name, tips to follow when picking a domain name, how to register a domain name, what is web hosting, are you domain name free? Domain names are available both free and paid, but the free domain name will have some restrictions whereas you have full control over the paid domains. Domain name are the plat are many more platform. Let's take an example. If you planning to register a domain name for free, the free domain name will have an extra extension link. If you registering for paid version, then you will get the domain like www.yourdomainname.com. Also in the free domain, many options are restricted and you will not have full control over the domain functionables. Domains, many options restricted, then you will have access to all the functionalities of domain. What is domain extension? The domain extension is a part of domain name. For instance, if you take different type of domain extensions, top level domain, country code top level, generic top level domain. What is the top level domain? As you know already that domain extension is a part of domain name and it comes with many types. Country code, all the domain extensions which are represented by a country is called as country code top level domain extension. There is a specific domain extension to represent each and every country. On third, there is the generic top level domain is one of the type within the top level domain. Domain structure. A normal domain name is compressed of three sections like top level domain, second level domain and third level domain. Top level domain, then second level domain. Second level domain which is found left to the dot of LTD is the second level domain. Click do in the second level domain for do it free. Third level domain. Third level domain is optional and in most cases is more customized based on the requirements for your domain. Who owns the domain name? The person who registered the particularly domain name. What is the renewed domain name? But default when you register an any domain name system. DNS domain name system is the decentralized naming system for the computer and the other resources connected to the internet. Ideally, domain name system will map the IP address to the easily. Choose the domain extension. When you're planning to buy a new domain, the first thing you need to decide is the domain extension you can choose. Choose domain name. So choosing the domain name is more important. Again, it depends on the goals of the website. If you are planning register domain, transfer domains, buy expired domain which traffic, free expired domain, and many more. Easy to use interface, speed optimized. Now we see how to log into Sika host. We click on login. The login is must to create a website on this site. Here we put our email, password, login. We don't have not have already account, so we click on create an account. Here we put our first name, last name, email address, select our country from here. Here we put our number, company name, how did you find us, Google, USG, I am not a bot. I have read and agree to term, state, here we select our country. After putting all these information, you can click on login and then register, and you register the site, and then you can easily create an website for your business on this site. Hope you learned that how can we create a website for free for our business. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. We shall meet in our next video.